Go, go!
Bridge, now! Why is it always a bridge? That buys us 10 seconds!
Make it count, then!
Echo, henchman, you're 6!
Seeing him, not loving him!
The film you just watched was created with Seedance 2.5, the new, most powerful AI video generator at this moment. You can create 30-second videos with consistent characters, location, and style using a single prompt. It supports 50 Omni references, 30 images, 10 video clips, and 10 audio clips. And in this video, I'm going to share the full step-by-step method of how you can create a full movie using Seedance 2.5. Let's get started. Alright, I'll use Seedance 2.5 inside Artlist. Yes, the Artlist, the biggest stock assets library. It now integrates all the popular and powerful AI image and video models. So you don't have to pay for 5 different platforms. Now everything's in one place on Artlist. Links in the description, just click it and create your account. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. Here, at the home page, you will find all the tools, features, AI models, and the vast library of stock assets. As we will create video clips using Seedance 2.5, we have to select the AI Toolkit feature. Okay, this is the Artlist AI Toolkit. Here you can access all the powerful AI models and create content. This is the prompt box where you can select the generation mode or content type, select the AI models, set the settings, and then generate the content with text prompts. As we are testing Seedance 2.5 today, I will select the video generation mode from here. After that, we have to select the video generation model. You will find all the powerful models here. I am selecting the Seedance 2.5 model. Now come to the settings. Here, you can select the aspect ratio. Next, we have duration. You can create 4 to 30-second video clips using Seedance 2.5. For this first video, I will try 30 seconds. After that, we have resolution. I will go with 720p. In the end, if you want audio, then keep it on. Okay, after settings, you can create and select a style kit from here. If you select any style kit, the video will be generated in the selected style. Now, we can enter the prompt and generate the video. Okay, now let's see how we can actually create a full movie using Seedance 2.5 inside Artlist. First of all, to create a film, we need the script. I already created a film script using Claude. You can use ChatGPT or Gemini too. This is a 3-minute long film script. You can select the duration as per your need. Okay, now we have to split this script into scenes, create subject reference images, and scene-by-scene video prompts. Don't worry, you don't have to do anything manually. I will put this master prompt in the description. Just copy the master prompt, paste it into your chat model, and hit the send button. Now, if you don't have a script, just enter your idea. As I already have the script, I will enter the script in the prompt box and hit the send button. Now, it's asking for the style of our video. I will create a 3D animated film. You should enter your style. This will follow in the workflow. So carefully enter your visual style. Now the AI will create a full scene-by-scene breakdown of the script. Now, if you are not satisfied with the result, you can customize it. If you are satisfied with the result, just enter approve and the AI will extract all the subjects, including all the characters, locations, and props from the script and create a detailed design sheet prompt. We will use them as reference later. Okay, all the subject prompts are ready. Now if you think any subject is missing or you want to change any prompts, you can ask the AI to do that. Once done, approve all the prompts. Now the AI will analyze the script and subject and then create a video scene plan and then create scene-by-scene detailed prompts for every scene. The prompts are generating. And here it is. Claude generates 7 scene prompts for us, and all of them are very detailed. Okay, all of our prompts are ready. Now it's time to create the subject images. To do that, we have to copy the first subject image prompt. So, copy the prompt and come back to the Artlist AI Toolkit. Select the image generation option, paste the prompt, then select the image generation model. You will find all the powerful image generators. I am selecting the GPT Image 2 model. After that, select the aspect ratio, image quality, and number of images you want to use. Next, you can add a style kit from here. We don't need it. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. The image is generating, and here it is. The image is ready, and look at the image. It creates a perfect character sheet for us. I love the result. Now, I will create the second character. Follow the same process. Copy the prompts, paste them into the prompt box, set the settings, and generate the image. And here it is. The image is ready. Now, following the same method, we have to generate all other subject images. Take your time here, because the best reference image gives you the best result. And here it is. All the reference images are ready. Now, you can save them to your device. However, we can use them as references directly from here. I won't download them. Okay, as all the images are ready, now it's time to generate the video clips. So, select the video generation mode from here. After that, select the video generator model. I will select the Seedance 2.5 model. Now we have to enter the prompt. So go back to Claude, copy the first video scene prompt. Paste the prompt into the prompt box. Now we have to add all the reference images for this video clip. You can see all the subject references inside the prompt. First of all, we have the character of Grandma Quill. To add the character reference, click on the plus icon, and then select Image Reference. Now, as we select the reference from our project, click on My Library. You will find all the previous generations. Find Grandma Quill and select the character. Once the character is added, we have to tag it in the prompt. Here, you can notice the @ sign before the character name. Click here, and you will find all the references that were added. I am selecting Image 1 as this is the Grandma Quill character. Now we have to add the second character. The second character is Dash the Deer. To add the image, click on Image Reference from here and then select My Library. After that, find and add the image of Dash. Once the image is added, tag it in the prompt. Now, following the same formula, add and tag all other remaining subject references. Make sure you select the correct image reference, otherwise the result will be inconsistent. Once all the subjects are added, come to the settings. Set the aspect ratio. After that, select the duration. According to the prompt, this scene is 28 seconds long, so I am selecting 28 seconds. After that, select the video resolution. After setting it, you can add a style kit. We don't need it. Now hit the generate button to generate the video. The video is generating, and here it is. The video is ready.
4 days. 4 days till the pass closes and we're sitting here roasting nuts like it's a picnic.
They've got it! The whole map, all of it! Talon's Nest, up on the cliff!
The whole map? Last I heard you came back with a corner and a bruise.
This corner doesn't even have the river crossing on it. Without the rest, the herd walks into that pass blind. We don't get a second try.
Say the word.
I'm not waiting for the word.
Ooh, heist. Do I get a cool spy name for this one? The Wing? Night Shriek? I've been work papping?
Echo.
Right. Later.
Look at the result. This is a full 28-second video clip. The characters, location, and props are consistent. The motion and camera work are pro level. The voiceover and the lip sync perfectly match the character. This looks like the work of a big studio. I love it. Alright, our first scene is ready. Now we will create the second scene, so copy the second scene prompt from Claude and enter it into the Artlist Video Generator prompt box. Now we have to add and tag all the reference images. As we already added some references, we just need to find the references and tag them accordingly. If you need to add some new references, just click on Image Reference, select My Library, and then add the correct reference image. Once the image is added, tag it in the prompt. If there are any unnecessary references added, remove them to avoid inconsistency. Once done, set all other settings and hit Generate. The second video clip is generating. And here it is, the video is ready. And you can see the result. It looks like a continuation of the first clip, and it looks really amazing. Okay, now I will create the third scene. The process is the same. Copy the prompt, enter it into the prompt box, and add and tag all the related reference images. Set the settings and then hit Generate. And here it is, the video is ready. Now following the same method, create all other video clips. Okay, all the video clips are ready. Now save them to your device and stitch them together to make the final film like this.
4 days. 4 days till the pass closes and we're sitting here roasting nuts like it's a picnic.
They've got it! The whole map, all of it! Talon's Nest, up on the cliff!
The whole map? Last I heard you came back with a corner and a bruise.
This corner doesn't even have the river crossing on it. Without the rest, the herd walks into that pass blind. We don't get a second try.
Say the word.
I'm not waiting for the word.
Ooh, heist. Do I get a cool spy name for this one? The Wing? Night Shriek? I've been work papping?
Echo.
Right. Later.
Your grandfather crossed that pass with nothing but a bad hip and worse directions. You've got 3 good friends and a slightly more than a corner map.
That's not actually that reassuring.
It wasn't supposed to be reassuring, it was supposed to get you moving.
Fair.
So what's the plan once we're up there?
I go in quiet?
Quiet, grab it. We leave before anyone counts their feathers.
That's the plan? Be quiet?
It's a good plan. Okay, be quiet is a great plan.
2 on patrol, torches. We go up the east face, away from the light.
I might not fit through that.
You're not supposed to. You're the noise if this goes wrong. Stay low, stay ready.
I'm very good at that part.
Left! Left, left, left! Good catch. Whew. I have excellent ears, terrible nerves. Excellent ears.
So now, following the same formula, you can create amazing films using Seedance 2.5 inside Artlist.
If you have an idea, just follow this workflow.
Not only Seedance 2.5, you can access all the other powerful AI models inside Artlist too. So don't forget to try Seedance 2.5 inside Artlist. All the links and prompts are in the description.
If this video helped you, please like it helps me a lot, and subscribe for AI filmmaking tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye.